In this video, we'll go over the report types available to schools with and without the Pro upgrade, as well as how to navigate the Admin Reports feature. Whether or not your school purchased the Pro upgrade, as an Albert admin, you can track individual teacher usage and classroom data via the admin dashboard. By clicking on the Usage Reports tab, you'll be able to view data by teachers, students, classes, and subjects. Under Teachers, you can see how many classes a teacher has created, which subjects they've assigned practice from, how many students they've enrolled, and the number of attempts their students have made. On the right, you can access reports or masquerade and view teachers' classes. You can adjust the date range to compare usage over time. Metrics are customizable and can be adjusted by clicking on the filter option on the right-hand side of the screen. You'll be able to access all of this information and dive even deeper using the Reports feature. Head to the Reports tab in the main toolbar. Select an individual school to access school-wide reports and view teacher, classroom, student, and subject data. In this teacher's report, I'm able to monitor usage and track how much time a teacher's students have spent practicing on Albert, an answer breakdown, and their overall accuracy. You can click the arrow next to the answer breakdown to sort by total attempts and see who has been practicing on Albert. Sort by total attempts in a subjects report to see which subjects are most used at your school, as well as students' overall accuracy. And scope your data to a particular time frame by clicking this school year and adjusting to your preferred date range. Schools with the Pro upgrade will be able to unlock additional data including assignments, questions, and standards reports. Here, we have a school with the Pro upgrade. In the assignments report, I can view data from all of the assignments that have been assigned to students at this school. Let's take a look at a school-wide standards report. I'm able to view school-wide performance on all standards teachers have assessed this school year. I can always adjust the date range or sort by total attempts. If I notice there's a standard students are struggling on school-wide, I can click Find Questions or use the assignment builder to search and view additional questions aligned to that standard should I want to encourage teachers to assign more aligned practice. With the Pro upgrade, use the blue drill-down arrows from any report to access more powerful data and unlock additional reports. Here, I'm viewing data scoped to this standard. I can continue drilling down and clicking into additional reports to get a more in-depth look at students' performance on assignments and specific questions aligned to this standard. The Pro upgrade also gives you access to an All Schools report, where you can view data across all schools you are the Albert admin for. You'll see a high-level summary of usage at each school, or click on any of the other reports available. If you are an admin at schools that have not purchased the Pro upgrade, you will only be able to access all reports and their drill downs for the schools with the Pro upgrade, and you will not be able to access the All Schools report. If you have any questions about how to use admin reports for data analysis, contact us at success@albert.io.